Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today we are gonna make another beautiful ring. I found this idea on Pinterest and I fell in love with it. So as I decided to make this beauty for me, I had to make this video so you can have it too. I wouldn't say it's complicated, but definitely you will need some practice. Just watch the video and try! First of all, you need to measure your finger very well to make a template like this. My finger is 5.5 centimeters, measuring all around, and I decided my ring to be 1.5 centimeters wide. Cut yourself 30 centimeters of wire and make a 90-degree angle 1 centimeter far from the middle. Compare the wire with your template and mark where you have to bend the wire again, just like so. Okay, now bend it. Make another mark at the end of the rectangle. Be sure you make the mark in both sides. Like this. This is one. And this is the second. Now we are gonna bend the wire again in a 90-degree angle like this. Do it little by little, no worries. As I usually say, making jewelry is just being patient and I don't know, just relax. You should have something similar to this. And now you are gonna bend again. What I did is to use the width of my pliers to make the wires meet in the center. You can make the same, or you can use a ruler to measure and find the point where both wires have to meet. I know this is not very precise, but your fingers are probably different to mine. Anyways, this is how it should look. Try to use your template. I promise it's very helpful to follow the pattern. This is not necessary, but I wanted both ends to be even. And now use any cylindrical object to give it a ring shape. So what I did here is just to apply some pressure at the ends to mark, and I used this mark to guide myself while bending. Bend the wire backwards to make a little hook. And if you need it, of course, just cut any excessive wire you may have. Now tighten these hooks very well, as much as you can, so they can't move. Cut yourself 10 centimeters of a thinner wire and wrap it 5 times, more or less, in one of those little areas here. I don't know how to call it. But you can see it on the video, so it's okay, you understand me. As I said, you can wrap it maybe 4 or 5 times. How many times you want, it's fine. And when you are done, you're gonna insert your first bead. This time, I'm going to use some wonderful lilac colors agates. So of course, you can use whatever you want. Instead of using 2, as I'm going to use, you can use only 1. It depends on you. Just be creative. Insert your first bead, in my case an agate, and now you have to wrap like 5-6 times on the other side. When you are done, insert another bead and wrap again. If you started wrapping 5 times, now you have to wrap another 5 times just to make it even. You probably didn't notice, but I wrapped the wire outwards at first and now I'm wrapping inwards just to make it look nice. No worries, because we are gonna do this again so you can see it. Cut the excessive wire, hide the ends to avoid the scratches, and now cut yourself another 10 centimeters of wire and wrap outwards. As you can see, I'm doing it outwards. So if you at first wrap 5 times, now you have to wrap it 5 times. Insert the bead and wrap it another 5 times on the other side. Insert the last bead and you have to wrap it inwards. Hide the ends to avoid the scratches and reshape this ring if you need it. I made 2 of these rings. The little one, it was pretending to be a midi ring, but unfortunately it's too thick to be comfortable. If you like this video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very, very happy!